Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So please subscribe, like, share and click on the bell icon, not forget to. Okay, so it's a second part of my video, so we go to our MCQs. Yeah, so it's our today's MCQs. The program of releasing individuals into the place where the species no longer occur is called reintroduction. Use of the organisms to add the essential material to a degraded ecosystem is called, its answer is augmentation. The use of the organisms, usually prokaryotes, fungi, or plants to detoxify the polluted ecosystem is called the bioremediation. Next question is, outbreeding in the domesticated animal is termed as heterosis. So the species are extinct if they persist at such reduced number that its effect on the other species is negligible. It's called the ecological species. The ultimate source of the genetic variation is also the mutation. So intrinsic value of the biodiversity means intrinsic values are also called the inherent values. Next question is, protected areas managed. We have already see this question, I think so, in last video. Protected areas managed for landscape and seascape conservations belong to IUCN category. It's called the 5 category. Where were the rates of the extinction recorded high? In the highland, rate of extinction are high. So next question is, which factors that are responsible for mutualism among species? So here's first of all, exotic species invasion. Next question is, convention on the biodiversity was held in the 1980 biodiversity convention are held. So next question, random fluctuation of gene frequencies due to chance alone is called the genetic drift. So what is a genetic drift? Genetic drift is called the random fluctuation of the gene frequencies, but it's due to the chances alone, right? So next question is, change in the habitat configuration and reduction in the area is called the habitat fragmentation. Next question is, inferior hybrid genotypes present in a population that decreases the fitness of the population. If there are inferior hybrid genotypes present, so population fitness are decreases. Next question is, the major factors for climate change is habitat degradation. So which factor for the climate change is habitat degradation. Next question is, endangered species act enacted by the US Congress from the year. These are the 1973. Which of the following is in situ conservation category? In situ conservation category is the biosphere reserves. The process in which DDT and other organocoloring pesticides becomes more concentrated as they ascend the food chain is called the biomagnification. So according to the ESA, the species that is likely to become extinct are called the endangered. So near the extinct is called the endangered. They have the danger to extinct. What factor is responsible for global warming? Obviously, increased concentration of carbon dioxide. Decline in fitness of the hybrid or outcross genotype occurs due to the genetic swamping. So if there are genetic swamping are present, so there are the fitness of the hybrids are declined. Next video is logging, farming and cattle ranching. These are factors that cause the habitat destruction. So these logging, farming and cattle ranching destroy the habitats. Exotic species so easily invade and dominate the new habitats due to absence of their predators. If there are no predators are present, so exotic species easily invade and dominate. So which of the following fundamental factors responsible for today's biodiversity crisis? So biodiversity crisis, there are the extinction of the species. So that's called biodiversity crisis. So eutrophication is not an ecosystem service, but further there are the detoxification, decomposition, purification are have the in our ecosystem services. The capacity of the planet's ecosystem to provide the services will be reduced if biodiversity reduce. What factors increase the possibility of microevolution? Microevolution increases if genetic diversity loss. Which of the following factors does not influence the effective population size? Mutation does not influence the effective population size. Further, gene flow, family size, and population fluctuations, they are effective population size. Which of the following is in situ conservation method? So there are farmlands which are the in situ conservation method. Otherwise, botanical gardens, fields and banks, these are the ex situ. These are the ex situ conservation method. So today we have learned these questions. So it's the end of our video. We meet in another video. So please subscribe, like, share, and click on the bell icon to see the third part of this video. Bye bye. Thank you so much.